Hey, welcome back to Between the Keys, another tune from Dangerous by Michael Jackson. This is Black or White. This song's in E, and the riff plays an E sus4, which is like you play an E with a 4 in the middle instead of a 3. This is the third, this is the fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it is. Down to the E major, and then E with a sus2. The rhythm is da 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 ba. So how many was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, 5 on that one. 1 on the E, and then 2 on that one, and finish on the E. Slowly. And obviously that is played on a guitar, but it's playable on a piano too. And if I wanted to sing the verse along with it, I might simplify it a little. I took my baby on a Saturday bang. Boy, is that girl with you? Yes, we're one and the same. Now I believe in miracles. We're going to go down to A major there. You could play it up here too, or here. But I like this. You could also play A there. Many places to play it. Now I believe in miracles. Let's try and find the melody again. Now I believe in miracles. Where's that melody note? Actually, that melody note is on a C sharp. I believe in miracles, and a miracle has happened tonight. But if you're thinking about my baby, it don't matter if you're black or white. So I'm just simplifying it a little. You could play it like this. That's like the start of Star Trek. Da, 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 na, 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 na. But we could play this black or white rhythm too. Da, 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 da. We could play it like that, you see. That B at the bottom just adds an extra note, a little bit more power to the chord. And I'm just playing 2 E's in the bass down here. Next part of the verse is, they print my message in the Saturday Sun. I had to tell them I ain't second to none. And I told about equality, and it's true, either you're wrong or you're right. But if you're thinking about my baby, it don't matter if you're black or white. And you probably noticed we went to B a few times for thinking about my baby. Thinking about my baby, it don't matter if you're black or white. B down to A and back to E. Quite a simple song. This part, next part, the coda, I'm tired of this devil, I'm tired of this stuff. It's just an E without the third, just a 5 chord. That means like a power chord, man. On guitar, often they play these power chords, just root and 5th. We can double the root and play E, B, E. I'm tired of this devil, I'm tired of this stuff, I'm tired of this business. So when the going is rough, I ain't scared of your blood, brother. I ain't scared of no sheets. I ain't scared of nobody, girl, when the going gets mean. Just that one chord, really, and it's not much going on. Then we have this chord that comes in for the rap, and that is like E7, but with a sharp 9. It's an altered chord. You can actually play the sharp 5 too. A very jazzy chord, and you'll hear that on a guitar, and it's like bum, 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 bum. And he says, protection for gangs, clubs and nations, causing grief in human relations. It's a turf war on a global scale, yeah. I'd rather hear both sides of the tale. You see, it's not about races, just places, faces. Where your blood comes from, it's where your space is. I've seen the bright get duller. I'm not gonna spend my life being a color. Don't tell me about it, me, when I saw you kicking dirt in my eye. Come back in. Michael comes back in with this hook. Don't tell me you agree with me on A major. So you kicking dirt in my eye. Back to the riff. But if you're thinking about my baby, it don't matter if you're black or white. I said if you're thinking of being my baby, it don't matter if you're black or white. Yeah, if you're thinking of being my brother, it don't goes round. and a plane went overhead. Hopefully you didn't hear it too loud. I hope you didn't hear that plane, but if you did, it's okay. And Michael sings, it's black, it's white, tough for you to get by, yeah, it's black, it's white, woohoo, and it's black, it's white, it's tough for you to get by, it's black, it's white, it's tough for you now. And there's a sort of an ending there which goes to the 5, the B, and then back to E major, down, bum, bum, like that, bum, bum. And obviously there is also the whole intro section where it's like a kid playing music and his dad's like, turn it off, and he's like, no dad, this is the best part, come on. And his dad's like, come on kid, turn it off, turn it down, it's too late. And he's like, no dad, come on. Super American accent. He's like, come on dad, I love this part, it's the best part. And then he's like, all right, dig this. And he puts in the CD or something, the tape, I guess, since it was the 90s. And he's like, dig this, and he turns it up. That bit's pretty cool too. But there's no music for that, and I don't need to teach it to you. So hopefully you enjoyed this one, which was Black or White. The next one I'm gonna do, I might do Who Is It? Or one of the later ones from the album. There's a few more to do. Dangerous, Keep the Faith, Will You Be There, Give In to Me. Let's see what I can do next. And hopefully you like this one. Click like and subscribe if you did. Check out the Roland FP-30X in the description and the pinned comment if you need to get a piano. My other music gear is there too, and those affiliate links even do help the channel. Cheers, see you in the next one.